HCLTech has been working with various customers within the automotive segment in showcasing the benefits that 5G brings. And to talk about a very quick example, we've been working with one of the world's largest engine manufacturer to see how 5G can help them create a very modern manufacturing ecosystem as well as the smart warehouses, so they can respond to any kind of problems that arise out of the operations within the shop floor, but also be very effective in responding to the fast moving distribution and aftermarket business. We've created this private 5G infrastructure for them so that they can adopt the technologies like autonomous guided vehicle. They can adopt 5G for very faster data collection from the sensor ecosystem in the manufacturing plant, so they can react to a lot of prediction models that are generated out of it. And this actually helped them reduce in the downtime considerably. Automotive sector over the last decade or so is going through a seismic shift, more geared towards autonomous driving, electrification, and also more importantly being a software driven vehicle architecture. This is resulting in disruption across the ecosystem at all levels. 5G for sure is becoming an integral part of this disruption, where it acts as a vehicle to effectively communicate and exchange information about environmental and situational awareness, so that we can enhance the safety and the security of the driver and the vehicle. We're also trying to improve on the traffic efficiency and creating new opportunities for the new in-car experiences and services. HCLTech has been in the forefront working with various of our OEMs and tier 1 suppliers alongside with the TSPs across the globe in creating an ecosystem that addresses innovations that are happening in this area. HCLTech FlexSpace 5G is actually geared to address these demands, ranging from experience as a service at various levels within the organization and to the asset level as well. HCLTech 5G system integration framework can help enterprise through the entire transformation process, starting from defining to build to deploy and finally run the end-to-end network in order to increase efficiencies and optimization. 5G securities can be defined as a convergence of cyber and physical security controls when it comes to automotive for the purpose of protecting an underlying 5G infrastructure. This includes securing hardware, software, network traffic, users, and the data that is being accessed across the value chain and within the vehicle also. HCLTech's 5G SF is helping customer overcome these foundational security issues so they can create the right ring fencing around the data that's collected within the vehicle and how the data is consumed by the various partner ecosystem that are driving the experiences for the in-car experience. The real-time data that is emerging from the next generation vehicles and the exchange of this data is enabling improved connectivity, which will unlock advanced functionalities, including the ability to perform over-the-air updates, optimize the traffic flow, and facilitate real-time exchange in streamlining the predictive maintenance and the in-car experiences. 5G will also help enhance fleet management to enable real-time tracking so that the fleet managers are empowered to reduce fuel consumption, optimize routes, enhance driver performance, and ultimately boost operational efficiency.